Hi, I'm Arthur Bird, a best-selling online piano instructor, and I've been fortunate enough to have over 20,000 pupils enroll in my courses worldwide. And in this course, you will learn how to improvise blues piano, specifically in the slow blues style. In it, I'll take you from a basic slow blues progression and methodically build your skills, all the way up to being able to freely improvise impressive blues piano, giving you a huge array of blues techniques that will ignite your improvising, including licks, riffs, turnarounds, jumping bass patterns, tremolos, octave harmony, and much more. You may have already tried to learn from videos off YouTube, but there you'll often learn an individual lick or riff without being shown a way to fluently integrate it into your improvising, which is why this course has plenty of exercises that incorporate your new skills throughout, giving you full control over each riff, lick, scale, or technique. On top of this, there are specially designed blues pieces that integrate what you're learning as you progress, giving you the opportunity to put your new abilities into practice within great sounding blues tunes. Everything in the course has been fully notated for those of you that prefer to read sheet music, with over 50 downloads available. However, you don't need to be able to read sheet music in order to enjoy this course, because all of the lessons have a highlighted keyboard graphic for those of you that prefer to copy and play by ear. In addition, any notation within the video lessons includes the note names inside the note heads, for those of you that would find it useful. I understand that everyone learns differently, and so to further enhance your learning experience, the course also comes with an added bonus, which is an ebook that you can print off and follow along with to supplement the video tutorials. And finally, to make the learning process even more fun, the exercises and practice pieces come with backing tracks, so you can play along with a blues band sound in the comfort of your own home. So, if you want to have fun improvising smooth blues piano off the top of your head, then sign up and get started today.